how to fill out the form because the last time we did it, I saw things like, I like how you did the problem.
That's not specific.
Is it being specific?
No.
Does it tell you exactly what they like about their problem? No. Next time, try to do better. Is that going to help them?
No.
Are you being specific? You're supposed to say exactly what they need to improve on. Use the success criteria to help you. Give them that feedback because they're going to go and take this feedback back with them to their seats and they're going to make changes based on what you told them. So if you tell them, I next time try to do better, can they go back to their seats and do better?
No.
Okay, do better. How? How am I going to do better? So I'm going to take Omar's as an example. It's okay. We are here to grow and learn. So let's say I have Omar's, right? I like how you used all of your POD strategies. You circled important information, and then you underlined the question. And I'm looking at the success criteria. So he needs to write the rest of his success criteria. He uses POD strategies. So I'm going to write down, I like how you use all of your POD strategies. For example, underlining the question. How is this a good thing? What is he going to be able to know? He's going to know what to look for or solve for. It's good because you'll know what you have. You're not writing this because you're going to look at somebody else's paper and give them feedback. You'll know what you have to solve for. Next time, try to, okay, so now I'm going to give him a grow. Next time, he forgot to simplify by dividing by 1. So I can still tell him, even though it's already simplified, you can still go through the process of simplifying so he doesn't forget. So I will say next time try to simplify. And notice I'm referring back to the success criteria. In the success criteria, they had to simplify. To simplify your answer so that you do not forget the steps to simplifying, even if the GCF is what? Because that way you get extra practice simplifying. Now I have completed the feedback protocol. Can he now get his protocol, his feedback form, and go back to his seat and make changes?
No.
Yes.
You need your name?
Well, yes. Feedback for Omar. My name is Miss Alvarez. So it's coming from me. But now, seriously, can he go back to his seat and make changes to his work and make it better?
Yes.
Yes, because the feedback was
Successful.
the feedback was specific. So now he can go back and make those changes. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, now that we've done an example together, you're going to meet with your chips and queso partner. The first thing you're going to do is switch papers, switch tests. And then you're going to fill out the form like how I did for that person. And you're not sharing your feedback yet. You're switching and you're filling out the form for that person. Does that make sense? Then I'll provide you some more time to share what you wrote. So at this time, find your chips and queso, find a spot in the room. You have 5 seconds to find it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So at this time, you switch papers with your partner. At this time, switch papers and you're filling out the form. You're filling out the form. Did you switch papers? Switch papers and you're going to provide feedback for your partner. You're going to fill out the form first. All right, now that you have filled out the form, you're going to share with your partner. You're going to share with your partner what you notice. What is their glow? What is their growth? You're going to take turns. Chips and queso, you will take turns reading each other the feedback. Does that make sense? All right, go ahead and share with your partner.
I like how you. What did he do? Dígale qué es lo que te gustó del trabajo de él. No, dile, que le tienes que explicar lo que a ti te gustó del trabajo de Carles. A mí me gustó como...
me gustó que hiciste el ejercicio y también hiciste todo bien eso y está bien. Lo hiciste bien.
¿Hiciste esto?
¿Ah?
Okay, bring it back in. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now that you have provided feedback to your partner, give them back their paper and give them the feedback form you filled out for them to take with them. Give them the feedback form so that they can take it back to their seat and make all the necessary changes based on what you told them. So at this time, go back to your seat with your form that your partner filled out for you and your paper. You're going to make corrections. I'm going to give you about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to make your corrections. You are now making those corrections with a pencil. Make your corrections based on your feedback.